How to test a faulty alternator on your vehicle. Tools needed. Simple voltmeter, multimeter. Step 1. Check battery connections. Before testing the alternator, make sure that the battery terminals are properly connected and tightly secured. Loose or corroded terminals can give inaccurate readings. Step 2. Test battery voltage with engine off. Prepare the voltmeter. Set your voltmeter to DC voltage mode. The setting usually shows a V with a straight line and dotted line beneath it. DC. Attach the test leads. Red lead. Attach to the positive plus terminal of the battery. Black lead. Attach to the negative terminal of the battery. Read the voltage. With the engine off, the voltmeter should read approximately 12 volts. A significantly lower voltage could indicate a weak or dead battery. Step 3. Test battery voltage with engine running. Start the car. Turn on the engine and let it run. Retest the voltage. Attach the voltmeter leads to the same battery terminals. Red to positive, black to negative. Monitor the voltage. With the engine running, the voltmeter should now read approximately 14 volts. This indicates that the alternator is charging the battery properly. Step 4. Interpret the results. If the voltage reads around 12 volts, the alternator is not charging the battery, which suggests a possible alternator failure. If the voltage reads significantly lower than 14 volts, e.g. 11 or lower, it also indicates the alternator is not functioning properly. Step 5. Conclusion. If your alternator is not maintaining a charge at around 14 volts, it is likely malfunctioning. In such cases, it is advisable to have the alternator tested or replaced by a professional mechanic to ensure your vehicle continues to operate efficiently. This simple test can help you quickly identify whether the alternator is the cause of electrical issues in your vehicle. And last but not least, if you find this content helpful, smash the like button, and if you know someone who would benefit from it, share and subscribe for more.